চলুন আজকে দেখে নেই কি করে গেম বেসড এবং অ্যাক্টিভিটি বেসড আমরা আমাদের লার্নিংটাকে আরো ইন্টারেস্টিং করতে পারি। তাই দেরি না করে চলুন শুরু করি। So the game rule is very easy. I'm going to ask each one of you to tell me the name of a place, a country or things or an object with the letter that I asked you to. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
And let me tell you one thing. The person who will be able to answer within the given time will get 2 points, and the opposite person who will not be able to answer, will get a -2.
Okay.
All right?
Okay. How's the timing?
And the timing is 15 seconds.
Oh,
That's a
okay.
good question. Okay?
Okay.
And the moment I'm going to ask the question, whoever is willing to answer will raise his or her hand. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you clear?
Yes.
All right. So tell me the name of a country with the letter A.
Africa.
-2. I said that you have to raise your hand.
Oh. Okay. Africa, Australia, America.
She got 2 points in the first round. Thank you. Let's go with the second one. Tell me the name of 3 animals with the letter B.
B.
Just to remind you, you have to raise up your hand. You can't just utter directly. So whoever is willing to answer the question have to raise their hand first. Your time is running out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Time's up.
Okay.
So this time, nobody was able to answer, so you equally get 0 for this round, okay? So thank you everyone, that's all for today. We will get to see you again.